Welcome to the Capital Exchange. I'm Steve Wilbur, Managing Director at Allen Capital Group.
And I'm Travis Portwood, Chief Investment Officer with Allen Capital Group.
Travis, we're less than a month away from the elections, and this most recent debate is a perfect example of the political environment we're going to be dealing with. And then the bombshell. Trump goes into the hospital with COVID-19. In this environment, should people be taking action inside of their portfolios?
Well, I think because of the political headlines you just mentioned, people are going to feel compelled to take action in their portfolio, whether they need to or not. And that action is most likely going to lead to some short-term volatility, leading up to the election, right? But if you take a step back and you look at the market long-term, markets don't care who's in the White House, right? Markets have done favorable under multiple political regimes, right? Really long-term, what drives stock prices is company profitability, not politicians.
Yeah, you're right. Earnings drives returns, and we want to make sure people don't become victim to the media headlines that are out there. We recently released two videos. One was defining risk and understanding it, and then the second was our bucket strategy. And we want to make sure people are talking with their advisors to make sure they're comfortable with the risk they're taking and understanding the risk. And then second, making sure they have the cash available, the dry gunpowder, to be able to take advantage of opportunities that may arise for them. Why is this so important?
Well, I think what you're talking about is just being proactive, being prepared for multiple types of market environments, right? And cash and liquidity provide you options, right? And you want options when you're going into a period of volatility, because the downside of volatility, falling prices, widespread pessimism, are just painful, but cash and liquidity help offset that pain. And then you can be opportunistic in those environments.
Yeah, so to summarize this, Travis, don't let the media make every problem your problem. The market really doesn't care who's in the White House. Just make sure you take care of your house. We know that earnings drives returns. And then finally, put yourself in a position to handle the short-term volatility to make sure that you're focused on your long-term goals.
Right. What you're talking about is simple advice. It's just not easy to implement all the time, which is why we're here to help clients through it.
That's right. This has been great, Travis. I look forward to it next week.
I look forward to it as well, Steve.
If the election headlines are making you nervous, please reach out to us. Our contact information is below, and we look forward to hearing from you.